Hello, it's Christmas Eve here in the Philippines and we're staying in this beautiful hotel called Fraser Place, Manila in Makati City. So, look I'm wearing right now, guys. Yes, I'm the head elf. So we're staying in this lovely place and I'll just show you around what it look like. Ooh, that's the whole family there. Hello! Kamusta? Yay! Kita mo sila lahat, oh. Naka-outfit sila. Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Complete, we're happy!
Sino yan?
Pakita nyo lang yung mga shorts nyo. Oh, Christmas shirt.
Hello!
Wow!
OOTD, ah.
Yes.
Hello! Gadi ang ano.
Hello!
Santa. Makikita nyo na Glenn yan. Hello! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, kasi si Ashley yun, parang may nanilagay.
You're so beautiful! Compliment of Archie Rotap.
Ayun na si Michael.
Compliment.
Tingnan nyo yung mga food namin. Oh. Ayan ang mga food. Nilishot natin sila later.
So delicious our food.
Yes. ito, meron kami mga gifts. Oh. Ayan, dami. Dami ba? Oh, may gift ako. Oh. I'm looking forward for this gift.
Excited?
Excited na.
Gusto ko na itong buksan.
First time in my life.
Yes.
Hindi ako nagluto.
Ayan. Talagang si Mami naman excited
ako
sa Christmas.
Hindi ako nakapagluto ngayon.
Ayan ang aming
Dati,
Christmas.
busy ako. Mamamalengke.
Ngayon na. Ngayon, relax na. Chill. Merry Christmas, everyone! Bye! Woo!